Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you what the difference can be in a blowout using a large round brush versus a medium round brush. Different round brushes are going to give you a little bit of a different result depending on your hair type. So to start off, I'm going to prep the hair with the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. I'm going to emulsify this in my hands, and then I'm going to start at the very ends of my hair and work that up through the mids. This is going to hydrate and protect my hair from the heat and also help strengthen it with protein. So I'm going to be using two kind of volumizing and hold products, but I'm going to use these section by section after I've pre-dried my hair so that we get the most body and volume out of this. If you don't know how to properly pre-dry your hair, then you can go and watch the video that I have a more in-depth process on how to do this. Okay, so on the back of my head, I'm gonna show you how I would place these volumizing products. So I'm gonna start with the Volumizing Tonic. I'm gonna put this up at my roots and spritz that all the way across and kind of rub that in. And then I'm gonna put the Phomollient from the roots all the way down to the ends. And this is gonna help keep that style once you've put any movement in there, as well as help lift and give you a little volume. I'm gonna start on this side of my hair, and I'm going to use the Ergo 43 round brush, which is more of kind of a medium-sized round brush. I have finer hair, so my sections can be pretty big, and I can get a lot of movement out of my hair. So I'm gonna do the same technique on both sides, and if you want a better breakdown of that technique, there's a video for that on my channel as well. So already on that side, you can see how curly the hair can get with that medium-sized round brush. So on this side, I'm gonna be using the larger 53 Ergo round brush. Now with this side, I feel like you can see that these are looking a little smoother. So we're gonna let both of these sides set. So now I'm going to brush both of these sides out that have cooled in the front so we can see kind of the difference in the curl pattern. On this side with the larger brush, you've got more of a soft kind of wave because of the bigger barrel. It creates a larger curl. And then on the one in the medium round brush, it's giving a little bit more of a curl and a little bit smaller of a wave. So this has a lot more texture to it, and that's the 43 round brush. And this one is a lot kind of silkier and smoother with the larger round brush. So what do you guys think? Do you prefer one over the other? I think both are totally necessary. They're just completely different results. Currently, when I'm looking at it, I think I like this side better. I think the tighter curl might make it last a little longer in terms of like consecutive days without washing, but this one is nice and silky and I like the amount of shine that it has. We always finish with hairspray, and that's just gonna kind of finish it and get rid of any flyaways, as well as give us some hold. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know what you guys think about the difference in round brushes, or if you have any more questions or things that you would like to see or have me explain in another video. If you guys enjoyed this and want to see more, you can click on the next video and subscribe to my channel.